Hope. I can still hope, Vapor. So bloody close.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Now we're maxed out on that, of course. Man. If I didn't do that one power slam, it was on accident. But hey, button mashing, it happens.
Oh, that's a nice one.
It happens. So we'll fill up all our ammunitions. That's done. That's done.
That's a real beauty.
That's not
You
good.
did not survive.
Ugh, Vapor. Vapor. Yeah, it was a very good try. It was so close. What sucks is, having to do these extra parts again. But I think it's being more and more generous by giving me ammo, because the boxes weren't here before. That and the Tesla Claw seems to be shredding him. Caught him to lower HP each attempt, so he's dead this time. Yeah, I've gotten him really, really low. This is the idea. It's about time she has the dexterity of an elf. More like a elephant. That's what I feel like sometimes. Oh, there's nothing wrong. It's just, I have to give you flack too. You give me flack, I give you flack back. That's how it works. Okay, fine, I'll take it. Hey! Not cool, Jack. Hit me in the butt like that. Dodging like a pro. Yeah, I think he's taking increased damage, or he has less health or something. That, and it's also giving me ammunition where there shouldn't be. Zoom across over here. Yep. Go. Come on, there we go. That's what I wanted. Whip it! I know whip it's good! Okay, you can finish off the last guy for yourself. I'm okay with that. And bam. See, I should not be able to get away with that. I should not have been able to get away with it. Okay. A little bit more. Alright. Little mini minions. Ah. Yeah. I think the game was taking pity on me. This is going way too fast. Uh-oh. Beep. Uh-oh. Can't do this one. Woo! Oh! Getting clipped by the green things. Green thing's not cool. Alright. Aw, do we have to do the missile phase? So close. So close to victory. Why will you not get close to me? Jerk! Just gonna run. Running is a safer objective. I'm just gonna hold down the button.
Ratchet? What's up? You know, this time I am thinking what you're thinking.
Oh, do it. Do I dare do it? Yes, I do. Oh, that felt good.
This can't